So we already been looking at 3 different looker layouts in the POS, but there is one more I really want to show you, and that is what we call the clienteling POS, or e-commerce in POS as it is sometimes called. So let's look at it. We do log on, and this time we open clienteling. So let's start by putting the scene here. I am a staff person in a fashion store, and I have a tablet in my hand this time. And it's easy to run the LS Central POS on a tablet or any mobile device as you want. I have a tablet in my hand and a customer comes into the store. And this is a lady who's interested in different bags and different dresses. And she's asking about it. What kind of bags do you have? So what I do, with this in my hand, I open Shop Fashion. And here we are. And since he's talking about bags, I go into accessories and bags. And these are the bags we have in our store. And the lady is interested in bag Linda. So I select it. And now I can show her more information about the bag Linda, detailed information. I can tell her the price. This is the item number, nice for me to see. And it's available in brown and black. And here we have extra text about it. Isn't this exactly similar to what you see in e-commerce? And we even see the specification that is of leather and there is no washing option on the bag. And if the lady wants to buy it, we can put it to our cart. And then we close. And you see the cart has been updated with 1. The lady continues, now she's interested in dresses. So we go into woman. Does she want to look at dresses by specific brand or old dresses? She selects old dresses, so we go down here. Here we have the old dresses. And she's a little bit interested into this yak dress. And she's also interested in the Linda collar dress. So I put them both into compare. So you see we have them here in compare, and we can use the compare option. This way we can compare the 2 dresses together. The names, we have the prices, they're both of polyester. One is not for ironing, one needs to be ironed after washing. One is of stretch material, the other one not. One can be washed by machine, and one needs to be dry cleaned. If she, however, is more interested in this Linda collar dress, we can continue and view the details. So here we are, similar as it was with the bag before, but we can see the dress is available in red, blue and green. And if she wants to buy one of these dresses, she's taken it into the fitting room, tried it on, etc. And she would like to buy the green one in size 40, and we add it to the cart. And we close. And we close, auto compare. And you see we have 2 items in the cart. The lady, my customer, is not going to shop anymore, so we go back here. And now we can finish the sale as any other sale. Total, cash or whatever tender type you select. And OK. And the sale is finished.